Last week, we saw U.S. equities respond with mixed enthusiasm to fourth quarter company earnings, which continue to outperform expectations. The bar is set very high for many of these companies, particularly in mega-cap tech, and markets are still grappling with understanding how artificial intelligence technologies will affect and perhaps disrupt existing business models. This week will be a busy one on the economic data front, with a very unusual cadence of monthly employment and inflation data in the same week. Last week, as a result of the brief partial government shutdown, the government postponed the January jobs report. So now the report will be released this Wednesday on the back of last week's labor data that showed far fewer job openings and more layoffs than the consensus had expected. On Friday, we will see the Consumer Price Index report for January, where consensus is expecting a monthly inflation print at an above-trend pace, even though the yearly figure may tick lower to a more reasonable mid-twos pace. Inflation issues have seemingly been put on the back burner in recent months, but with the market inflation expectations now off their recent bottom, many investors and policymakers are giving heightened attention to the price outlook. Lastly, tomorrow we will see the retail sales figures for December. Forecasters expect the holiday shopping season came in at a solid nominal pace, indicating resilient consumer spending through the end of 2025. An emerging theme is that even though employment conditions appear a bit softer in recent months, total spending and private demand appear to be nonetheless rising at a strong pace. So items to watch this week: 1. The January jobs report. 2. Inflation data. And 3. Retail sales data.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell a specific investment strategy, any security or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons referenced, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth, FCW, is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bancshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bancshares are the entities through which FCW products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through FCIS, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals in all jurisdictions or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through FCIS, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and SVB, a division of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. For more information about FCIS, FCAM, or SVBW and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.